Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best hand trucks that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Magliner Gemini Senior Convertible Hand Truck. Magliner GMK81UA4 Gemini Senior Convertible Hand Truck is a high-quality product, ideal for use by professional movers, business, or even homeowners looking for a reliable product. This hand truck is fully convertible from a 2-wheel hand truck to a 4-wheel cart. It features a heavy-duty aluminum frame, which is extremely stable and is built to withstand the test of time. Even though this product is rather expensive, all parts are fully replaceable, so you should not need to ever replace the entire hand truck. The Magliner hand truck has a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds as a hand truck, and 1,000 pounds as a 4-wheel cart. One downside of the Magliner Gemini Senior Convertible Hand Truck is that it is extremely heavy. If you will be using your hand truck for home use and traveling with it, this may not be the best option for your needs. Moving on at number 4, we have Milwaukee Hand Truck. The Milwaukee 30087 hand truck is another high-quality hand truck available at an excellent value. This hand truck is able to help you move heavy objects, including furniture and large appliances up to 800 pounds. This product easily converts from a 2-wheel vertical hand truck to a 4-wheel platform position. There is a solid steel deck that prevents your objects from falling through the frame of this hand truck. It features 10-inch pneumatic tires, specifically designed with treads for outdoor use and rough terrain. There are wheel guards in place, which are meant to protect the load from the tires. This hand truck is constructed from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish to prevent rust and corrosion. One downside of the Milwaukee 30087 hand truck is that it may not hold as much weight as advertised if you are using the 2-wheel vertical option. Make sure to use the 4-wheel platform position for your largest and heaviest objects. At number 3, we have Orangetech Folding Hand Truck. The Orangetech Folding Hand Truck is a lightweight, foldable option that is ideal for home use and traveling. This hand truck can be folded up to a size of 18 inches by 12 inches and has a weight of just over 6 pounds, making it a great compact option for storage. It even comes with a convenient storage bag to keep your hand truck in when not in use. This product can hold a capacity of up to 155 pounds maximum. It features an extendable base to hold larger sized objects. A set of bungee cords with hooks are included to secure your belongings when using this hand truck. One downside of this hand truck is with its wheels. While it does feature 4 wheels, the hand truck is not very maneuverable, particularly if it is loaded close to capacity. The wheels often get stuck and will not turn if carrying heavy objects. At number 2, we have Costco 4-in-1 Folding Hand Truck. The Costco 4-in-1 Folding Hand Truck features a foldable toe plate, making it easier to store and for people to not trip on it. This can be used in 4 configurations: an upright dolly, a 45-degree angle dolly, great for moving tires and wheels, a 4-wheeled cart stopped on the other end with the toe plate, or for wider items, used with the toe plate folded down. When used as a 2-wheel dolly, it will support up to 800 pounds and 1,000 pounds when used as a 4-wheeled cart. Other features include one-handed conversion and flat-free tires. One downside of this hand truck is its stability. If you will be using this hand truck consistently to carry heavy loads, you may want to consider another option. The aluminum frame and plastic handles have been known to bend or break after extensive use. And finally at number 1, Rock N Roller R2 G8-in-1 Folding Hand Truck. This Rock N Roller R2 G8-in-1 Folding Hand Truck is by far the most versatile and durable of all the hand trucks reviewed. Every homeowner needs this as it can be used in 8 different configurations. An optional deck can be added if a carpeted flat base is needed, while an optional carpeted shelf can be added at the top to make it a 2-tiered cart. With a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, it should be more than adequate for most users. When completely closed, the hand truck measures 26 by 14 by 6.5 inches. Rock N Roller claims that it is small enough fit in a plain overhead compartment, but most airline companies will consider it your carry-on, which means one fewer piece of personal luggage allowed on. One downside of the Rock N Roller R2G 8-in-1 folding hand truck is that even though it is a decent quality for transporting small objects or light loads, it is not as stable as comparable products. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.